Bonjour, hello, welcome et bienvenue to the southern Lot-et-Garonne, just as it meets the Gers. Today we are in Armagnac country, in the heart of Gascony, for this former Armagnac estate in fact. It's surrounded by Armagnac vineyards all round, and we are in 1.5 hectares of farmland. Here with the principal house, which is has 4 bedrooms, and there are 2 independent gîtes, both thriving businesses, ready to start and ready to go. So welcome to the main house. Now, this was built in the early parts of the 19th century, but it has retained many of its original features. And this part of the house has 4 good-sized bedrooms, a lovely feature kitchen, and a wrought iron staircase in the central hallway. A real delight. So welcome to Gîte 1, and it's called El Alhambra, and you'll see why with the beautiful Spanish tiles, feature tiles in the bathroom. This gîte has 4 bedrooms and sleeps up to 10, and it has its own private terrace and sunny courtyard for the guests. It's actually conjoined to the main house, but it has very, very discreet independent exits and entrances and its own private driveway. So welcome to Gîte 2, and this is the former Armagnac distillery. The owners call this La Grange, and it has 2 bedrooms, sleeps approximately 4 or 5, and it benefits from this lovely, great open space, open plan dining room with its feature fireplace and its own sunny terraces and private driveway. We are on the fringes of the Gascogne National Park, one of the largest forested areas in Western Europe. That is to the north of us here, and to the south we have these beautiful views of the Gers. We are right on the border of 2 departments here, the Lot-et-Garonne and the Gers. And the south-facing views with the Armagnac fields make this swimming pool a real treat for owners and guests alike. So I hope you enjoyed the visit today. You'll find all the information about the property in the link below, and we look forward to welcoming you to this part of France very soon. Thank you. Bye-bye. Au revoir.